Hello, good morning, Jai Jagannath. Hope you guys doing very well. Today I got something very good to unbox. So that is Portronic car mobile holder. So I will unbox it today. And yeah. Today is the Tuesday. I'm like the spring Tuesday, like Chaitra month. Today month is called. This month is called Chaitra month in the Odia. So Chaitra maso Mangalwar. Like this month Tuesday, every Tuesday, there is some puja used to happen. Like there are in our apartment people are doing the puja. It's a great thing actually, and we call it dosa. They have to do, women have to do some fasting and puja. In this puja, some fruits and sprout puja to be offered to the Lord Surya, like sun. It's a great culture. I'm very proud of it. I'm very proud that I am the being part of it in our village. Our family also do this kind of rituals. Happy to see these women in the city, but they are still, ground to earth and ground to the root. And I am happy to see, because most of people who are living in the city, they are started forgetting those rituals, those cultures. But let's talk to these ladies. Anyway, today I have to do the unboxing of Portronic mobile holder in the car. So let's do it. Okay, so we got it here. Let's do unbox. Yeah, we got this is Portronic and Clamp M, something they call. Let's open it. Okay, there are two setups. This will be, the capturing the mobile, like holding the mobile actually. This section and this section will be connected to the adapter kind of, which will be attached to the car dashboard. Let's see. Yeah, this is the part will be attached to the dashboard. It is a kind of gum will be attached, and this is the holder. It will be fixed into this. Okay, now it's attached, and this part will be attached to the dashboard, and this here is the mobile will be attached. So I don't have the secondary mobile, but I will go to my car and attach this, and took videos and photos on it. But I cannot show you the mobile attached footage because I don't have the secondary camera or secondary mobiles right now. Overall the plastic quality is good. The gum quality I don't know. I have to check when I go to the car. And overall plastic quality is good, like everything functioning, and it can be length can be increased, and this is what can be flexible. This is also flexible. Currently I am inside the car and I have to put it in the dashboard. So let's do it. Let me just put it, then I will catch up the video. Okay, so then let's go for a drive and see how it's capturing the video, and how it is capturing in the front camera, and so how it capturing the road. So let's have a spin and we'll see. Yes, let's took a spin in our apartment area. Let's not go outside. Yeah, it's taking nicely. It's taking the video very nicely. Jai Mahavir, Jai Mahavir, Jai Mahavir. Yeah, it's taking the video very nicely, and we can see this on camera videos in video. Let's see. I hope its video is good. And, yeah. In our place. So thank you so much for watching this video. And have a great day, and please do like and share this video, and please do subscribe the channel too, and thank you so much. Have a great day.